Welcome back to Joe's Garden. It's been a while, but I love this time of year, spring. Snowdrops are nearly just going over, nearly time for me to divide them, and also my favourite, tree fern, nearly on time to unwrap them. Now, what we've done down here since I've been away, we've made this container, and what we've done is we've made it out of 4x2 tannadised timber. Tannadised timber basically means this has been impregnated with chemicals. That's what it looks like without being impregnated, and it lasts a bit longer like this. Then what we've done, we've lined it with a material called Foamalox. Now Foamalox is a thick plastic, and this one is about 5mm thick. We've lined it all in, and then we've sealed it with a silicone, waterproof silicone. And then on the outside we've used a feather board just to frame it, and then to finish it off we've used decking board. I'll just finish it off now. That's it. And then I'm going to plant one of my favourite plants, Trachycarpus Fortunei. So I'll knock it out. Now first of all, I'm going to put in some slow release granules, sprinkle in the bottom there. As you see, I've already planted a few plants in already, and we're just going to drop that in. That's the best side. Perfect. And then I want to just a little fern which I've got here, and I'll put this one in as well, just on the outside of it. That's it. Then I'll use my favourite horse compost. Now the reason I've used this container, I wanted a bit of height down here. And then all I'll do, I'll give this a nice drink. How does that look? Until next time.